Greetings, dear viewer. This video will discuss the rationale for choosing this research innovation. The following researchers are Fabiana Tricia May, Reyes Clark Kent, Minosa Kent, Echavez Venz Benedict, Hedron Mika, Ojeda Ezekiel Rose.
SPADA, specialized armchair drawer attachment for students' convenience and management approach. Problem: students carry their backpacks to school every day. Some of them are using their personal transportation. Some students are commuting to go to their school, and there are also students who go to school by their feet every day. The hassle and burden of carrying such heavy and bulky backpacks causes annoyance and health issues to the students. By putting a heavy weight on the shoulders in the wrong way, the weight's force can pull the person backward. So students who carry heavy backpacks sometimes lean forward. Because of the heavy weight and the unnatural position, they can develop shoulder, neck, and back pain. The functionality of SPADA. Students can put their personal belongings or school supplies so that students don't have to carry heavy backpacks, because if it is worn inappropriately, it may cause back pain and putting strain on the muscles and joints, which increases their risk of developing other back-related problems. The uniqueness of SPADA. SPADA is distinct from similar innovations since it is foldable, has eco-friendly materials, lightweight, and reusable. It is easy to transport and install because it's lightweight and foldable. And the best part is the convenience in assembling SPADA because it's simple and easy to understand. So malfunctions caused by improper assembly rarely happen. It is also reusable. Why? Because SPADA is made to last 3 to 5 years of constant usage. NDF is durable to some extent and termite resistance. Significance of our study. Our innovation may provide a better alternative for individual lockers and provide a better approach in managing space in classrooms. The study determines the significant impact of SPADA on students' convenience in managing space.